Charge. Hey guys, how's it going? So I took it out for a ride. What works in the lab doesn't necessarily work in the field. Yeah, I'll show you why. Actually, use a shoe. Now, this is the edge of the battery pack right here, and this is my foot. I originally thought I could go in the middle, and I cannot. Trying to pedal on your heel is extremely difficult, and it was still hitting my foot. So, what do? I mean, you go through all this trouble, and you end up with this problem. Well, do you remember how I was pushing about the rod coming through here? This is where that comes into play for final adjustments. Basically, all we have to do is pull it, and I'll probably end up putting it right there. It's still pretty level. It's actually hitting this bar across here right now. It's sitting on the wheel. But what I'm going to do, after I drill a hole there, and there, I will remove that bar and put it up here, taking it off the wheel. Basically, at this point, I'm just going to use that to space or sort of level out the... if I remove that bar now, it's just going to fall back. But that will take up the weight, that bar, going this way, so you can have the overhang. For the back and forth this way, that's why I'm anchoring it there, and there, versus just there. Other than that, it worked great. No problems whatsoever. Oh, those cheap hooks. I'll show you. These hooks here are no good. They got a strange issue. I'll show you. Unlike the other ones, these ones, if you pull in the unlatch, if you pull this way, the unlatch, you gotta be perfectly straight, and that's never going to happen in a real situation. This is going to be going back and forth, and as soon as it does that, they basically unlatch. But they didn't actually come all the way off here. They just were sitting loose, so they kind of defeats the purpose of having them. I don't have the other pieces of the hardware for like this part here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick these up and basically put them back on. These are pretty reliable. So there's that. And thank God I designed it like that, because now I can, like where it sits right now, that's about as long as a long bike versus the minus the wheel coming out, and that's more than enough room. Even if I decide to just step on the bike and put my foot on the pedal normally, I'm still within not even close to where it's going to hit the bag or the battery box. So this will work here. Just have to make sure these parts here are all nice and firm and not going anywhere. I got a bumper now, so now it's past the wheel. I'll probably drill a hole here and there and put a bar in there, give it a bumper. But anyway, I got a lot of drilling to do. I will stop the video here and get some work done on it. And there we go. That's version 2. Kind of like the silver brackets there, but it's definitely stepped away from the bike. There's a massive gap there now. We use the foot, big ass shoe, for nice gap between the battery and the foot. If I step normally on it, still got lots of room. The only thing you can't do is you can't go on the ball of your foot and sprint. You might be able to, I don't know. But putting your foot normally on the pedal in the center is just fine. Yeah, not going to have a problem running with that. And it's centered, which is sweet. A few other holes to drill, but other than that, it's ready to go. The leads still reach, which is kind of sweet. I won't be able to try it today because it's raining, but we're good to go. On with version 2. Later, guys.